Thousands of us come to visit beautiful landscapes like this every year, often to relax on holiday. But what do we humans leave behind? From a simple 30-minute walk around this beach, we found all of this: plastic.
More than 60% of floating marine debris is plastic. Large plastics are degraded to these smaller fragments by UV radiation in sunlight and physical abrasion in the water. When they are less than 5 mm in size, they are known as microplastics. However, it's not just littering. Other microplastic sources include microbeads in cosmetics, as well as fibres released from clothes in the wash.
It is also coming to light how domestic washing of clothes releases a large proportion of plastics into the ocean. Wearing clothes made of natural fibres will reduce this, or buying wash bags to catch the fibres is a novel new way to reduce your impact.
Other impacts of plastics include its toxicity. When plastic decomposes, it releases toxic chemicals such as BPA into the water. These can be absorbed if the plastic is ingested and have negative effects. For example, it can disrupt hormones and reproductive systems in animals. These chemicals can also impact humans if the water was consumed and if single-use plastic water bottles are reused. Plastic can also affect behaviour and social interactions in animals. There was a study that showed that periwinkles changed their behaviour to their predators when they were placed in water that had been previously used to soak plastic pellets. The animals were left vulnerable to predation. In the wild, predator-prey relationships could be disrupted, which could lead to trophic cascades.
One of the direct effects of plastics in the ocean is that animals often mistake it for food.
So, for example, the leatherback turtle eats jellyfish, and this plastic bag in the water could easily be mistaken for food, and obviously if it was ingested it could be very harmful.
Microplastics have the ability to impact entire marine ecosystems largely through bioaccumulation. When fish ingest these plastics, animals that eat the fish are also ingesting the plastic in those fish.
When this happens along a food chain, plastic can reach dangerously high levels in animals higher in the food chain. For example, plastics are eaten by krill, zooplankton and other invertebrates. These are then eaten by squid and other small fish species, which are eaten by fur seals. However, these seals are the prey of other animals, including orcas and sharks, which means that plastic is accumulating in these organisms too. Scientists have estimated that a heavy shellfish consumer eats approximately 11,000 plastic particles each year. It's easy to blame big companies, however we can make changes as individuals. If we refuse single-use plastics, there will be less demand and the production of plastics will be reduced.
So what swaps can you make? Investing in reusable products such as a reusable water bottle, long-lasting tote bags and reusable tubs will not only reduce plastic production and waste but also saves you money in the long run.
Packaging is the biggest source of plastic, so using a bar of soap instead of shower gel, visiting zero-waste shops for staple goods, and purchasing fresh food from local farm markets are great ways to reduce unnecessary plastic waste.